What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from any website to your Shopify store. You can import products, for example, from AliExpress or Alibaba, any e-commerce website you can find online. You can easily import products from that e-commerce website to your Shopify store. Now, the app that we are going to use is free, but it's not free forever. It only has a free plan. But you can test it if you like it, then you can purchase the premium plan. Okay, it's cheap. Okay, it's not expensive. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to go to your Shopify store, and next thing you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your Shopify store. So that's what I'm going to do right now. After that, you want to click on settings. Okay, after, guys, you click on settings, you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now here you want to search for this app. It's called Robo. Okay, now this app helps you, guys, or lets you import products, like I said, from any website. Okay, it doesn't matter what website, you can easily import products to your Shopify store. Now the app is called Robo, as you can see. Search for it, click enter, and then this is the app. Okay, this is it, as you can see here. This is it. So what you guys need to do right now is to just click on the app so that you can download it. Click on install. Now after, guys, you click on install, as you can see here, click again on install, and as you can see, it says here this app needs to access to view your personal data and stuff like that. Just click on yes. After that, after you are on this page, you want to download the extension. Okay, this extension helps you, like I said, import products from any website. As you can see, that's exactly what the Robo products importer says here. As you can see, use Robo to effortlessly import products from virtually any site to your Shopify store in just a few clicks. So what you guys need to do, as you can see here, you just need to click, like I said, on Get extension here, and you want to click on Add to Chrome. Okay, Add to Chrome. Click again on Add extension. Okay, now as you can see, it says here Robo product importer has been added to your Chrome. Now as you can see, this is the extension. Okay, now you want to click on extensions here in the top right, as you can see here, and then pin it in the top. Just click on this pin button, and that's it. Now what you guys need to do now, you want to go to any website. It could be, for example, AliExpress. Okay, just find a random product. It could be any product, for example, this one. You just need to click on the extension in the top. Okay, just click on it. As you can see in the top, click on the extension here, and then click on Add to Shopify. As it says here, processing. Now as you can see, it will take you to this page. Now you can make some changes if you want. For example, if you want to change the title, the description, as you can see, the images, you can also if you want to select all images, click here, click on select all images, and then after that you want to click on import and click on add product to Shopify. Alright, now after, guys, you click on add product to Shopify, as you can see here, this product is going to be imported to your own Shopify store. Now if you go back to your as you can see, to your Shopify store here, if you click if you click on products, you will find that exact product that we have imported from AliExpress. Just click on preview on online store, click on here, and this is the product. Okay, these are the pictures, everything, as you can see, the card button, buy it button, as you can see, everything. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, just leave a comment and drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.